Look at these tomatoes. They're on super trusses, and it's crazy how many tomatoes. This rivals cherry tomatoes, the amount of trusses and flowers on the truss on each one. The production, or the tomato fruit set, is phenomenal all the way up this bad boy. Look at this. This is crazy. Let me do a quick count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. There's at least 30 flowers, at least, on this one. That's one tomato truss right there. And it's making multiple trusses like that. The other thing I'm noticing is that it's not aggressively growing tall. And I mean, what could you ask for in a tomato? I wanted to show you an example of each one. This is a ripe one. You can see here the colors in it. And I will cut that open and let you take a look at that. Here's one that first blush. And it's a very pretty tomato. Nice shape. Nice ribs there, nice color, small flower. Just a beautiful tomato. It's starting to turn color here. And I pull it because I want to reduce the cracking. Here's a couple that are really just starting to blush. Another example of what it looks like. Let me cut them open. I'll go ahead and put these to the side because I'm also going to taste it. I'm not going to cut them open. But I'm going to save seed probably from this one right here. Cut the lip off here. And we'll cut it directly in half so you can just kind of get a general look at it. So that's what she looks like. Nice and juicy. Man, just look at the juices. Today is June 16th, 2017, and this is my tomatoes Succeed. This is the one I'm saving seed from. And so here is two of my Succeed. I only managed to get 2 plants growing. There was a mutant, and you can see how it's really thick here. It looks just like a really thick base, but if you look at it as it goes up and it splits off here, it's just really thick and aggressive. The fruit set's not great, but we've been gone for a while. I haven't pollinated at all, so I'm doing that now. And I'm going to bring this inside the greenhouse because it's cooler right now. Here's one up here that's set. It's cooler now, but this one over here is a better explanation of what I'm talking about. If you look at this here, you follow it up, see how it kind of breaks off into several fused branches, I guess you call them, suckers fused, and then it kind of goes into a melee of stuff here, and really big clusters. Got one fruit set here, and it's just kind of going up like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim this up and I'm going to bring it in the greenhouse, both of these two. The only two I had set. So we'll see what they do. So here are the two plants back in the greenhouse and fawn platforms. And just looking at them quickly after cutting them back here, you can still see that there's some issues with the leaves, but I've started spraying them. In fact, you can see they're damp. And I also trimmed them. I need to remove this sucker right here, but I've trimmed them back. Take a look at this truss right here. It's pretty amazing. I got one fruit set on it here. Looks like another one started there. And maybe there's some more. Hopefully there's some more. I need to get some fruit out of it to save some seed. On the other one, back over here, sort of the same thing. It's not quite as fused like it is here, which is greatly fused. This one's not quite as bad. It's got a little bigger fruit on it though. Hopefully it's got the great taste, and I want to get a little bit more size out of it. There's actually a couple fruits on this one as well. So that is what's going on. Gene and I headed out west for 3 weeks. We've been gone, and when we came back, things weren't ideal, obviously, because when you're gone for 3 weeks, it's not getting paid attention to like you would do, but it's not totally out of control. Trim some things back. Is this another fruit? Yeah, it looks like another fruit set there. But yeah, we're gonna get it back in order. I've started the winter greenhouse, getting it ready to grow some things over the winter, and we will have some fun doing it all. Clean up in here, clean up out there at the no-weed garden, get the tomatoes that I want to bring in here. I could probably grow in here for another couple weeks or so before it gets too cold, and then we'll move anything I want from here into the winter greenhouse over there. This is Brent, you guys. We'll see you later.
Well, that wraps up this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please comment, like, and subscribe. In order to subscribe, all you got to do is click the button here. We'll put a check mark next to it. If you want to get notification the next time I make a video, click on the bell here. Check here and hit save. You guys take care.